Welcome to CSE Guru. In this session, we will discuss a max heap problem and data structure. This is a gate question appeared in 2014 set 2. The problem is a priority queue is implemented as a max heap. Initially, it has 5 elements. The level order traversal of the heap is given below, that is 10, 8, 5, 3 and 2. Two new elements 1 and 7 are inserted in the heap in that order. The level order traversal of the heap after the insertion of the element is. So here the max heap data structure is given with 5 elements initially. The level order traversal of the heap is given. And then two new elements 1 and 7 are inserted in the heap, and after insertion we need to find the level order traversal of the heap. To solve the problem, we need to know two main concepts of data structure. One is max heap and another one is level order traversal. Heap is a special binary tree data structure where the elements in the heap will be filled from left to right. That is, heap is a complete binary tree data structure. Consider this example. So this is a heap data structure where the elements will be filled from left to right. That is, during insertion, first left side nodes should be filled and then it will move to the right side nodes. Max heap is nothing but, compared to the child nodes, root node is having the largest element. So here if you are checking, compared to 10 and 15, root node is the largest element 20. Even if you are checking the subtree also, the child nodes are 5 and 7 and the root node is the largest element 10. And if you are checking the right subtree, the child nodes are 11 and 14 and root node is 15. So in the complete heap data structure, it has to satisfy the property compared to the children nodes, root node should consist of the largest element. If the whole heap data structure satisfies this property, then that heap is a max heap data structure. Next, level order traversal. Traversal is nothing but visiting each node exactly only once in the given binary tree. Level order traversal is nothing but a level wise visiting of the nodes. For example, root node will be at level 0, child nodes will be at level 1 and the grandchildren nodes will be at level 2 and so on. So if you are considering the level order traversal for this heap data structure is, first the level 0 node will be printed, that is 20. Next, the level 1 nodes will be printed from left to right, that is first it will print 10, then it will print 15. Similarly, level 2 nodes will be printed from left to right, 5, 7, 11 and 14. So this is the level order traversal for this heap data structure. So now if you are considering the problem, the level order traversal of the heap is given, that is 10, 8, 5, 3 and 2. So first step, we will construct the heap data structure for this level order traversal. So the concept of level order traversal is, first node is nothing but level 0 node, that is the root node, and the next two nodes will be child node, left and right child of 10, that is in level 1, and the next will be the level 2 nodes, which are all the left and right child of 8 and afterwards left and right child of 5. So we will construct the heap data structure for this level order traversal. Root node is 10, 8 will be the left child of 10 and 5 will be the right child of 10. And the next level, only two nodes are given. These two nodes will be the child node of 8. So 3 will be the left child of 8 and 2 will be the right child of 8. And also in the question they have specified this is a max heap data structure and we have to check whether it is satisfying the max heap property. So the child nodes are 8 and 5 and the root node is 10, so largest element, and one complete subtree is there, and we will check the max heap property here. So child nodes are 3 and 2 and root node is 8. So the complete heap is satisfying the max heap property. And now we are going to insert two new elements, that is 1 and 7 in the heap in that order. That is, in the heap elements will be filled from left to right. So first we will insert the element 1. So here the element will be the left child of 5. Now after insertion, check the max heap property. Compared to the child node 8 and 5, 10 is the largest node. Compared to 3 and 2, 8 is the largest node. Compared to 1, 5 is the largest node. So, it satisfies the max keep property. Next, insert the element 7. So, here if you are considering, the nodes will be filled from left to right. So, the next element 7 will occupy the right node of 5. So, after insertion, check the max heap property. Compared to the child nodes 8 and 5, 10 is the largest. Compared to the child nodes 3 and 2, 8 is the largest. Compared to the node 1 and 7, 5 is the least because 7 is the greater number here. So to convert this heap as a max heap data structure, we need to exchange these two elements. Then afterwards, check the max heap property. Again, if it violates the max heap property, again we need to do the exchange. So now we will exchange these two elements, that is 5 and 7, and afterwards we will check the max heap property. Root node is 10. 7 will occupy the right child of 10 now. Now you check the max keep property. So compared to the child nodes 8 and 7, 10 is the largest node. And compared to the child nodes 3 and 2, 8 is largest. Compared to the child nodes 1 and 5, 7 is the largest. So now it satisfies the max keep property. So after insertion, we need to print the level order traversal of the heap. So level order traversal is nothing but now the 10 will be at level 0. 8 and 7 will be at level 1. 3, 2, 1, 5 will be at level 2. So first level 0 nodes will be printed. Next level 1 nodes and next level 2 nodes will be printed from left to right. So first 10 will be printed. Then level 1 node, that is 8 and 7. Next level 2 nodes from left to right, 3, 2, 1, 5. So if you are considering, this is the level order traversal of the max heap after inserting 1 and 7. So 10, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1 and 5. So answer is 4. Thank you for watching this video.